Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Projector headlights RAM 1500. Start by parking 10 to 15 feet from a flat wall, measure headlight center height, and mark center on the wall. Turn on low beams and use tape to mark the vertical and horizontal center lines. Loosen adjustment screws slightly, then make small turns while checking beam movement. Keep testing until both beams align to the marks and behave symmetrically. Prepare the truck and tools before starting. This saves time and frustration. Inflate tires, set the fuel and cargo to normal levels, and ensure the ram sits level. Use a tape measure and masking tape to mark both headlight centers and the wall reference points. Have the correct driver type ready for adjustment screws, and test current beam pattern to identify high or low misalignment before making any changes. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It learns your space, answers to voice control, and saves time you would spend bending and cleaning while adjusting headlights. It's a handy little helper after greasy hands and headlight dust. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with low beams on and the truck exactly where you measured. Adjust vertical screw until the brightest part of the beam sits at or just below the horizontal mark on the wall. Next, tweak the horizontal adjuster so the beam cutoff lines up with the vertical centerline mark. Tighten both adjusters carefully, recheck alignment from 10 to 15 feet, and perform a short drive to verify even, glare-free illumination for oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.